Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted channel in Telegram. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, simply go and open your Telegram application. In Telegram application, for example, if I want to recover this channel after deleting it, I would long tap on it to delete. Here you can see that channel has been deleted. After this, in the search section, I would search for this channel. Then click on this channel and join it, recovering my deleted channel. You can do the same. But before you go, please like, share and subscribe.